In today's video I am going to share how you can get started in UX design in 2023. If you are someone who is just getting started, you are in the right place because I am going to share the actionable steps that you can take to get started in UX designing for free. So, let's get started. To become a UX designer, you must learn the fundamentals of design, user research, and UI design tools. The first and foremost step is to try to understand the difference between UI and UX. When I say the difference, I am not only saying to understand the definition but also how UI and UX work hand in hand with real app scenarios. So how exactly you can do this practically? Number 1. Go to YouTube and take free courses on the UX and UI design process. It is not necessary to buy expensive bootcamps and online courses to understand the basics of design in general. You can find thousands of videos on YouTube specifically tailored to UX concepts. I'll leave my favorite video links down in the description below. 2. Go to the Play Store and download apps from any category of your choice. Observe the design and overall experience by using it. I highly recommend you make a note of your observations. This method helps you to come up with creative solutions for the problem. By the end of this step, you will not only understand the basic idea of UX but also feel confident about how UX has shaped the entire product development. 3. Again, go to YouTube. There are hundreds of complete Figma crash courses and XD courses. I highly recommend you watch the video and try it practically. Learning without practice is mere waste of time. I'll leave my favorite crash course links in the description box below so you can learn and practice at the same time. 4. Learn the shortcuts along the way while you are learning the tool. It will a lot of save time. I highly recommend you to learn this in this stage itself. I use this tool for learning shortcuts. I'll link them down in the description. Also, subscribe to my channel because in next video I am going to share some free resources that helped me to become a UX designer. If this video helped you in any way, comment them down below. It motivates me to create more videos. I'll see you in the next video.